Well, today's episode is going to be a rescue mission. Today I have my magnets. Today I brought the one that I won from the fortune fishing giveaway. I'm a 1,200 pound magnet, and it's 2,600 pounds somewhere. Yeah, right there in my basket. So today's mission, I got tagged in somebody's post. So I got a notification that somebody dropped their fishing pole down here somewhere. We're going to try to find that for him. But in the meantime, until he gets here, I brought the fishing rod that I found in episode 13, and I'm using the lure that I found when I pulled up that last gun. So let me put this camera on my hat and then we'll get ready to do this.
Hey man, what you said? How you been? How was your day? My day was great. How about yours? My day was but really good.
And I do see a bunch of mullets swimming around. Let's see if there's anything that you can catch. I don't think mullet will go for this. Oh wait, there's something swimming after it. I think I'm gonna try over there. That seems to be somebody's homemade fishing rod holder. Alright, so as for what species dwell in this bayou, not entirely sure. I've seen mullet, I've seen baby crab, I hear there's catfish. But this is my first time fishing here. I've done a lot of magnet fishing here, but never was normal human fishing. So this bayou is connected to Lake Pontchartrain, but it is closed off at the end to help prevent flooding. Alright, now instead of trying with all these plastic lures, we're going to go with worm. Because if this bayou's anything like the lake, fish out there don't take kindly to plastic lures. These little guys I just dug out of my backyard. Alright, this should be able to cast out much further. Yep. That's the end of my line, but then there's more line that got hooked on it. So let's pull it out and see if we can get any lures. What's this? Throw that in the garbage later. Look, I think that might be like a floor mat to a car or something. Now this is, here we go, now it's moving. See, do we have anything on here? Looks like some plastic. And yeah, we got a bit of fishing tackle here. Looks like a similar setup to what I was using. Well, that's a huge hook there. Yeah, boom. That's cool. Oh, I got some trash out the water. Looks like a big circle hook. Okay, this is broken. We'll keep the hook, the barrel swivel, and the rest of the stuff. Alright, so a little bit of a location error. We're moving down to Esplanade where he lost his rod. He thought it was demand for some reason. Somewhere down here.
Yeah, right in this circle, because we were directly under this little spot here. Kind of, the boat was halfway poking out from the bridge, because I was fishing there. Jeff fell out the water there, and I grabbed on here to keep the boat from going under, and it just kind of tossed around this general area.
I do a lot of magnet fishing on my YouTube channel.
Yeah, when Trey tagged you, I'm like, this motherfucker must be a magnet fisherman. And then you start commenting and send the video, I'm like, damn, he is.
Yeah.
Well, that was cool as hell. But yeah, when I saw the video, I thought it was the... Because I couldn't remember, but I remember we were close to where we had docked out originally.
Yeah, when you said it's the one next to Cabrini, I figured it was either Esplanade or Domain.
But see, that's where I messed up. Yeah, I should have said which direction it was heading towards.
But it's all good. I brought that fishing rod I found over there magnet fishing, and I haven't found anything today.
I was hoping that, because it's an all-metal Zebco 33 reel, and I'm just hoping it's actually, magnetic metal.
Yeah. The problem with magnet fishing and catching like rods and reels is the only part that's really magnetic is the reel.
Yeah. Exactly.
So I figured with a grappling hook you could probably have better luck catching onto the rod itself.
Yeah, especially since it was strung up and ready to go.
Yeah, I need to get one of those trebles. That's all.
I brought most of my arsenal today, but I just hooked up the lighter magnet to this one. Yeah, all the times I've magnet fished this bridge, I have not found anything.
That's crazy. You think this is
We're right at the edge right here.
Yeah. Domain's been a gold mine though. That's where I found all those guns, foreign coins,
yeah,
the Dutch naval officer's dagger.
Videos, I was like, look at that store. That gun.
No, it's only like a little 13-inch dagger.
Still cool as hell.
Yeah. But looking it up, it's an E&F Forster Dutch naval officer's dagger. It's got a date somewhere between World War II and 1900.
That's pretty cool.
What kind of fish exactly do you catch out here? Because I used to...
I haven't caught anything out in the bayou yet. Like I said, I've only been back fishing again for a month, but in these little ponds and these lagoons here in City Park, a lot of bass fishing.
Yeah.
But like Jeff was telling me, you're not lucky to catch mullet out here because they're algae eaters.
Yeah, mullet don't really go after anything except like algae and stuff.
Corn and real corn or something, but...
Because I know this bayou's connected to the lake, but oh, that's cool.
I fished the river a lot actually, and I never really thought we caught he caught 3 giant ass catfish when we went out one night.
I'm sure.
Morgan was jealous.
I'm sure there's some
I've been
monsters
catching
out there.
Small little stripers. Anytime I go out there, I'm like, oh, fucking 4-inch something. Something.
I'm sure there's some monsters out in the river, but no way in hell would you want to eat that. Yeah, usually I go out to the lake over by like Seabrook or Bonneville, try to catch reds and trout.
I go up to Delacroix every now and then to go for red fishing.
Oh yeah.
It's always good out there. But there's some reds in the river, in the lake too. But
I caught one red by Bonneville like a week ago, but I haven't caught one since. Every other time I went out, I just always pull up crabs. So I started bringing my dip nets out and got about 2 dozen recently. Just gave them a simple boil, picked all the meat out and stick that in my freezer.
Me and my buddy went out to Boncarry Spillway and went home with a ton of crab. But I was throwing the line out, couldn't catch a damn thing out there.
Yeah.
They just were not biting, but crabbing was so easy. Every time Dave would go sit down, he'd have to stand right back up. Something was on the line.
Oh yeah.
Crabbing's fun. It's just the work of it, I had so much crab, I had to boil it and make a giant ass pot of gumbo, and then still boil more crab and give them to friends. Still have so much in the damn freezer. It's fun. I like fishing more.
Well, I got something here. What is that? Looks like a big nail.
I can't hear, but I can see the line get.
I hear a little click. It could be part of the bridge.
Tree down there at the bottom, some metal foundations.
Could be. It seems like it's pretty close to the support. Oh, that looks like a big pipe.
Giant ass pole is what it is. The stop sign, man.
I mean, right now I think I got just my little 500-pound magnet on here that I won from Fortune Fishing's giveaway.
I've always thought about investing in magnets, man. Like, you scroll through TikTok or YouTube and they pop up and it's like, ooh, it's like fun.
It is.
You know?
I mean,
You're not only cleaning up waters, but you find.
oh yeah.
That's why I was watching that video you sent where you were just like, you can fish my honey pot, they leave all this trash, and I was like, yeah, man. And I'd actually seen another video about a dude talking about how we'll scrape all that
We got
rust
something big.
residue right back in the water. Like they don't.
Dude, there's something big on here.
It's probably that pole. Yep,
Yep.
that's the pole. Well, not the fishing pole, but the pole.
Well, damn. I mean, as heavy as this thing is, I'm surprised this little magnet's able to get it.
Oh my god.
All right. Yeah.
One of those bike poles or something. What's the sticker say? Canada. It does. It says Norway, Canada. Oh wait, no. No way, Canada.
Well, I'm gonna have to tag Fortune Fishing in this one. That's biggest thing I've caught with this. That little magnet. Okay, I snagged on something. Probably a plastic bag.
Yep.
All right, got us a plastic bag. Yeah, sometimes when things fall in the water, like the way they're oriented, they're like,
Going forward.
yeah, they're not gonna drop straight down.
Wow, when it hit, I was actually surprised it floated a little bit.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, there was no wait time. It just went straight down. Because I thought I would have had a little bit of a second. When I realized it was gone, I'm like, nope, all right, let's just not tip the boat over. Chip bag, that Chiwis, sour cream and
Looks
onion?
like Frito. Oh, Chiwis, yeah. Either that or that jalapeno flavor. Yep, green onion.
What do you think? Put the boat in the water and go underneath?
I think I might have it, y'all. Yo, Morgan, I think I got it. Morgan, I got it. Yep. This it?
Holy
Yeah, I grabbed onto the bait with my grappling hook. I was like, all right, this got to be it now.
No way!
There you go.
Dude, thank you.
No problem, dude.
Holy shit. Look at that.
I didn't even think I had anything on that. I looked close at my hook, and I'm like, oh, wait, that looks like one of those little worms on there.
Way. Dude, hell yeah, I can't even thank you. That
was another mission accomplished, but before I go home, I am going to try fishing some more. A little further down, the honey hole's just over there. But I'm going to use this lure that I found magnet fishing at the city park here over on Marconi Drive. I just want to be able to catch at least one fish with this rod before I go home. Can't see it, but I tried fishing next to the bridge at Orleans. It looks like I got a backpack I'm snagged on. Now let's pull this up, because this looks like a backpack. No, this is a purse. Feels like this is just full of mud. Actually, this... Let me see. Yeah, pretty sure this bag's empty though. Not a bad bag, I mean. Almost looks like it's made of nylon or something. Well, nothing in the bag. Just a bunch of mud. Alright, well, we'll throw this in the bucket.